My name is Dr. Cynthia Brattesani. I'm a general dentist that works in San Francisco. I've been using the StellaLife products for over 3 years now, and I just can't say enough good things about it. It's just amazing. Why I love it is, first of all, my demographic in San Francisco loves anything that's natural. And we don't need to go back to chemicals. We have this natural base. They come into my practice, they feel a difference, I see a difference. It makes it an incredible day for the practice, especially in the hygiene room. And part of that means that they're going to continue to use it. And that is the key for a preventive general dental practice. But I have a quick story that happened to me recently. I had a wonderful patient named Tim in his 50s. He was diagnosed with oropharyngeal cancer. And of course, it was a shock to both of us, and we talked about it. And he told me about the surgery that was upcoming. So I gave him the recovery kit that StellaLife has that they use before the surgery and after. Well, Tim went to have the surgery, and then later he came to see me, and he said that when he went back for his post-op visit with the oral cancer surgeon, they couldn't believe how well he healed. And what he did then is got his backpack out and brought out the recovery kit and showed his doctors. And they were just amazed. And of course, that spread the word on how StellaLife can help patients. What I do know about that is that now he didn't have to take any opioids for pain relief because he was healing so fast. And that is an amazing thing. So thank you, StellaLife, for everything you do for us to help our patients, because that's what it's all about. Thank you.